Creating a custom module in ERPNext allows you to add new functionality tailored to your business needs. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set developer mode. Ensure that developer mode is enabled. To do this, add developer mode 1 to your site's common site config JSON file, then restart ERPNext. Create a new app. Open the terminal and create a new app using the bench command. This command creates a new app folder with necessary files and directories. Install the app. Install the app on your site. Define your module. In the app directory, create a new Python file to define your module structure and logic. Modify the your module name init.py file to define the module's functionality. Create doc types. For database records, create doc types. Go to developer, doc type, and create a new doc type associated with your module. Set permissions and views. Configure roles and permissions, and design the module's views using ERPNext UI customization tools. Deploy the module. After setting up your module, refresh ERPNext, and your custom module will be available for use.